in Fiji, I need your help. I want to be a brand ambassador for Fiji Airways. I want to do room tours. I filmed that a year ago after my first visit to Fiji. Since then, I've returned a few more times and I've stayed nearly 3 months, discovering new places to stay and most importantly, meeting hundreds of new friends. And I did it without being a brand ambassador for Fiji Airways. Hey, Fiji Airways and Tourism Fiji, I'm still keen. I'm still here. I don't know what it was a year ago, but I fell in love with Fiji and I think more people should go and visit and discover the real Fiji. There is so much more to Fiji to discover than the multi-billion-dollar resorts that you all know of. So if you're thinking about going to visit, please look outside the box. There's hundreds of other options to check out and small businesses and locals to support. And I'll be back again as soon as I can. So if you want surf, sun, sand and smiles, make sure you check out Fiji for your next travel destination.